Hello, viewers. As promised, I am ready with the writing skills and the details about what and how we have to start. According to the latest syllabus prescribed by the CBSE, we know that in classes 9, 10, 11, and 12, we have got certain compositions which are categorized in two groups, the short compositions and the long compositions. As you can see, in the short compositions, we have notice writing, advertisement, invitation and replies, and last, poster making. Whereas in the longer composition, we have article writing, speech writing, debate writing, and letter writing. This syllabus is recommended for class 11 and 12. When we talk about class 9 and 10, we have got diary entry, story writing, letter writing, and article writing. Each of the topic will be discussed periodically in the videos. Let us start today's discussion in the interaction with the topic article writing. As you can see, article writing is a longer composition and it is common for all the classes, class 9, 10, 11 and 12. Article writing is defined as an information on a variety of themes in a long and sustained piece of writing. It involves creativity, vocabulary, and subject knowledge. But the question arises, how to write an article? To write an article, we have to frame 3 paragraphs. They are entitled as introduction, content, and conclusion. Each of the para has its own content. Para 1, introduction, contains slogan, questions, amazing facts, etc. The second para, content, contains the causes, effects relevant to the topic on which we are writing. And thirdly, conclusion. This part is very effective part where a writer has to present his own solution, advices and suggestions to find a proper measure for the topic discussed. Because as we can see, when we write an article, articles are mostly written on some social issues, evils in the society, or problems. These problems do have a solution, and that solution has to be pointed out clearly so that the article becomes effective. Now the question arises, how to present it? Presentation of an article is very important. As you can see the next page, this page is a somehow presentation of how your article should appear. Let me make all of you very clear that this article writing is also an art, and this art has to be reflected very transparently to create an impression on the evaluators. Let's start. The very first line we use, that is topic. On this line we write the topic or the headline. This headline is very important. It should be catchy, striking. As per the need and convenience, you can use this headline in your own creativity. But remember, it should be compactly written sorry, and it should have the content and its meaning. The second line is known as byline. When we write the byline, it is very important line in which you write the name of the writer who has written the article. And if it is anonymous, he can write XYZ or any relevant name. Then we start with our article, that is para 1. I recommend each one of you to start your paragraphs with 1 finger distance from the on every first line of your paragraph. Rest of the lines should touch the margin line. This is very important. And after each para, leave a line. It will create a beauty and presentation to your article. In the image, the lines in the pencil, they show the format of writing article. These can be assumed as the wordly lines written by a writer. I hope you would have understood the format in a clear way. Now, following this task, I recommend every one of you to practice this style of writing on a rough sheet, pages, copies, wherever you want. Once you get ready with this format, we can go ahead describing how to write an article. Very soon the next video will be presented to you, in which I will describe the details how we write the paragraphs. We'll be starting with para 1, later on para 2 and para 3. I hope you would have been understanding what I mean to say. I request all my viewers and subscribers to like my channel and share it as much as you can, so that all of us, all of the people may be benefited out of this. Thank you very much and God bless you.